Hi everyone. Today I am going to do a simple project using the bird on a branch transfer and the bless our nest transfer. I'm just going to, and we're doing this on the small palette board. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. I just fuzzed up the branch transfer and I'm just going to stick it on with a little crooked, but that's the way I want it. Branches never go perfectly straight. I'm going to use the bark chalk paste to put this on. I'm just stirring it up. You want that nice consistency, kind of like cake batter. Okay. I'm going to use the small squeegee to just go over it. We're going to put the excess right back in the container because, as you know, you can reuse it. So a jar of chalk paste goes a long way. Just smooth it out. And then I'm going to peel and reveal, which is my favorite part. You want to pull it straight up. You don't want to pull from the corners, side to side or top to bottom. And there it is. I love that branch. And I'm going to set it aside and get out my hair dryer. And just dry it up real fast. You can tell when it's dried because it goes from shiny to dull. And you don't have to dry it. You can leave it sit out for 10 or 15 minutes so it air dries if you don't have anything to dry it with. But in order to do the video, I go ahead and I use the hair dryer, or else we'd be here all day. Now I'm going to use the leaves from the Bless Our Nest kit. And I know I'm going to use that that chalk paste again that we can't get, but my order, because of shipping being so slow in the US right now, they pushed back my date. So I'm not going to get my stuff until Monday. Usually when they tell me that, though, I usually get it within the next day or so. So hopefully I get it by the weekend. Let's see, today's Thursday, so I should have it by Saturday. Fingers crossed. So I'm just stirring it up. And oh, that's such a pretty color. I'm so upset that they discontinued this one. It is called Honeydew. Again, wiping the excess in the jar. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. I'm using it to make like a little nest for our bird to sit in. Here's that cute little hair dryer again. And the other leaves, so I can face it going in the opposite direction. Where I live, there's a lot of trees, so I hear the birds chirping non-stop all day long, all night long. So this is perfect. And again, just wiping it off. It takes such a little amount of chalk paste to do these. And just pulling it up. And there is our little nest. You can see I went over the side of the transfer there when I did the first one, but that's okay. I'm going to show you how to get that off at the end. That's what our awesome board erasers are for. A lot of times, though, with this type of wood, it doesn't want to come, like you might think it's not going to come off. If you scrub it, it will come off. So, like a little spot here. Okay, I'm just checking to make sure that it's dry before I grab up my cutie little bird. And the bird is from the Bird on a Branch transfer set. I'm just going to place him right on top of the, or her, right on top of the nest. Okay, now for this, I'm going to use, it is called Ocean Mist, and a little bit of white on the bottom of her. And because I've mixed the colors, I'm not going to go ahead and put that back in the jar just so that I don't contaminate my colors. And then a little bit of the white down at the bottom. Oh, let me give it a quick stir. How fast. And then we're going to spread out the paste and peel and reveal. Oh my gosh. This little bird turns out so cute. Said I want a little bit more blue down at the bottom. Okay, and I'm just going to set that aside so I can wash it off. And here we go. Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh. Every time I do these birds, I absolutely love them. And give her a dry. I'm going to try to put a word on her, I think. But I decided, you know, let's just keep her simple. And later on, if I decide, I can always turn this palette board around and I could put something on the back. You know, if I want to change it up. Oh, here I am. Oh, you can't really see. Oh, I'm sorry. I wet our board eraser and I'm just scrubbing the spot and it comes clean. And that is it. Oh, here's where I think, well, maybe I will put a word on it. No. Take it away. I decide not to do a word. And that is it. Isn't this cute? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. It's to set it up downstairs in my living room. But you guys have a nice day.